We're celebrating Peach Week in the Sandhills. Here's what's happening this weekend. The Peach Week food and drink competition continues. Enjoy peachy food and drinks from 28 locations and vote for your favorite through July 28th. Learn more at homeofgolf.com/peachweek. On Friday at 6 p.m., join High Octane for their Peach Week celebration. Paint a peach-inspired painting with wine and design, shop local vendors and a food truck, and taste some of High Octane's peachy drinks. Learn more at facebook.com/highoctanegirls. On Saturday at 10, come out to the Weymouth Center for Power Cars and Peaches. Stroll the grounds to admire vintage and classic cars from Sandhills Motoring Club, enjoy live music from Whiskey Pines, and taste free peach ice cream from Stellar Scoops. Learn more at weymouthcenter.org. At 1 o'clock, hop on the Sandhills Trolley for a Peach Week Foodie Tour. Taste peach-themed dishes, stop at a fruit stand, and have some peach drinks. Learn more and purchase tickets at foodietoursnc.com. At 5 o'clock, come out to Southern Pines Brewery for a Peachy round tray workshop with Hammer and Stain. Customize your tray with stain and paint and taste some peachy beers, too. Learn more and purchase tickets at hammerandstainsp.com. At 7 o'clock, come out to the Weymouth Center for their Peachgrass Festival. Enjoy bluegrass music from 3 groups, Korean peach barbecue from Cooking with Kyung, and peach ice cream and drinks at the Cash Bar. Learn more and purchase tickets at weymouthcenter.org. We hope you'll join us for Peach Week in the Sandhills. For more info and events, go to homeofgolf.com/peachweek.